Hi fish lovers, I hope you are doing good. I welcome you all to my channel Blue Aquatics. First of all, I want to thank you all for giving your so much of love to my previous video related to Okiko Platinum reviews. You all had given a big support to this video. It is doing really good, and from that video you are able to know that how good is Okiko Platinum for your fishes, whether it is any goldfish or any flower on fish or any other fish variety like parrot, oscar or any other fish. I had shown all the different types of videos in that, into which I am feeding Okiko Platinum. So I thought, why not I this time create a video on Okiko Platinum, let you know that the Okiko Platinum which you are using at your home for your lovely fishes is original or not. Yeah, you heard it right, that it is original or not. So guys, without wasting any time, let us start with the differences of original and duplicate Okiko Platinum. And these differences you can easily check with your eyes and figure out that is your Okiko Platinum original or not. I am having two different packets in my hand. One is original and the other one is duplicate or copied. Both the packets have a valid barcode, and upon scanning this barcode you will be redirected to their website. So how to spot the fake Okiko Platinum easily at your home? Starting with the first and the most common point, original Okiko Platinum has a valid expiry date and is visible on the top right side of the packet. As you can see, the packet in my hand has a valid expiry date and is visible properly. Let's check on the other packet, and you will be able to see that it does not having any expiry date on the packet. You can see it is blank and with no expiry date. Guys, every food has an expiry date. Without the expiry date, it is not possible to manufacture any food. I had checked on the complete packet or duplicate packet. It is not having any expiry date anywhere printed on it. The next thing which you can check easily is the Okiko label on the packet border. As you can see, both the packets have Okiko labeled on the border, but when you check on the original packet, it is shinier as compared to duplicate packet, which is dull. See on the duplicate packet, although the Okiko label is there, but it is very dull. I had placed the Okiko original packet at the bottom and the duplicate one at the top. The third thing is related to the packaging quality. Original Okiko Platinum packet is very hard, and when you check the duplicate packet, it is very soft as compared to the original one. This means original Okiko Platinum manufacturing company pays attention on the packaging material, while the duplicate packets have very low packaging quality. Now let's talk about the quality of pellets. Let's open both the packets and check. Currently I am opening the original packet, and after that we'll open the duplicate one. Now I am opening the duplicate packet, and after that we'll show you the pellets from both the packets. So let's take out the pellets of both the packets. See, the original Okiko has pellets that are shinier, or you can say are coated or polished. But on checking the duplicate ones, let me take out the duplicate ones. See, these are very dull, or you can say not coated or polished. So let me mix both the pellets that are of original or duplicate, and you can compare, or you can say you can take out the original ones from the duplicate ones, because original are polished and duplicate are without polished. See, you can notice easily which are original and which are duplicate pellets. On opening the packets, if we open the original Okiko Platinum packet and if you smell it down, you will notice that it has some good smell according to the ingredients mentioned in the packet. But if you smell it down, the duplicate one, it has not a good smell according to the ingredients mentioned on the packet. So by smelling, even if you have good smelling power, you can realize that which is original and which one is duplicate. So guys, with all these differences, now you can easily spot the difference between original and duplicate Okiko Platinum. Guys, I hope you like this video and got useful information related to Okiko Platinum originality. For watching more such videos, do subscribe to my channel so you never miss any update. Thank you, bye, and stay online.